Oh, you waiting for me?
Yes.
I was waiting for you. Okay, let's get going. Okay, when you first get this hose, it's gonna come like this. So you gotta clean it up. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get rid of a small portion and get some electrical tape. And we're just gonna tape around it. That should do it. What we're gonna do is we're gonna cut straight down in the middle so we can clean this up. We don't need this in. Okay, I'm back. Notice, nice clean. I gave it a clean cut. Get some more tape here. Let's tape it a little bit more on the tip of this. This is how I do it, just to get the fitting in. So I'll tape it down some more after I cut it. Okay, here's the fitting. On the fitting, we got a lug, we got a ferrule, and here you go. Notice I taped this in. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put this lug in. Okay, let's put this lug in. There you go. I got it in. Now we're gonna take off the tape. Now we're gonna open up this Cinematographer hose. Just stick this back in. Just to open it back up. Next, you put the ferrule. The ferrule is gonna go on the outer side of the Teflon hose. Just like that. You push it all the way down till it stops. Once it stops, now you put in your hose. Here. Make sure it butt it against there. Now, just pull this up. Tighten it. That's it. Click the like button, please subscribe, and leave a comment. We out here.
Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. So what do you think? Well, we gotta get out of the house. Yeah? Gotta go shoot something. Anything. Pretty much. We need to get out. Yep. Alright, see you guys. Wonder what's Team TJZ doing right now.